Hi, guys. Just want to say welcome to my second episode of Wealth Wednesday. I just wanted to say, I really appreciate all the feedback from you guys. I really appreciate all the new subscribers that I've gotten. I'm also just thankful that people have liked my videos and people are watching my videos. So far, I have close to 100 views on all the four videos I've posted. So that's very good, starting from nowhere. So yeah. But anyway, just wanted to kind of recap last episode of Wealth Wednesday. Last time on Wealth Wednesday, I talked about how saving money to build an asset or create an asset or solve a problem in your community or wherever you are it was how you start building wealth. And on top of that, I just stressed how important discipline was. Disciplining yourself to seeing a goal, to keeping your eye on the prize, so to speak. So yeah, that's what we talked about the last time, and I want to build upon that today to stress how important relationships are to building wealth. A lot of times people think you can shrink your way, or not shrink your way, you can like build wealth in a bubble. It can just be you toiling the fields, struggling, getting rained on, sweating, bleeding, and you'll make it out there and you'll build wealth just by yourself. That is untrue. That is not true. You build wealth in conjunction with people. People help you build wealth. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about today. So I'm gonna just the simple saying, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Basically, when you're first starting off building an asset or a company or something, creating something out there in the world, you'll find that because people don't know you, they're not gonna want to deal with you readily. They'll be hesitant, or if they choose to deal with you, they're going to charge you a fee, and they're going to charge you more because they don't know you, because they think you're high risk and all that stuff. So it's very important to begin building relationships, finding a mentor. There's this good organization out there called Score Mentors, and Score Mentor, I believe. I've utilized them before. They're really fast in their response. When you just type on there like looking to build a welding company. I need someone who's an experienced welder in the area. They'll reach out to you. They'll connect you with someone, and you can start learning from that person. You can start becoming connected with that person's network, and so on and so forth. So it's very, very important to start there with people, and relationships are very important. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is just really a basic question, right? Like, just think about this. If someone, after you change their flat tire, they said, "Hey, I really want to reward you for your time and reward you for what you've done for me today. You saved my day." And they offer you to either pay you $5,000, or they offer you to pay you with introducing you to their five wealthy and successful friends for 5 hours. And which basically I'm asking, which would you choose? So sorry, the dog is barking in the back. Felix, come here. Sorry about that. So if they offered me on one hand $5,000, or on the other hand 5 hours with five successful people in business and in whatever avenue or whatever area, I'm going to choose the 5 hours, because from my time with those five people, and in those 5 hours, I can build strong relationships, and I can ask them many questions and I can hopefully connect myself with the people that they know or the knowledge that they know. And based, once I, you know, and after that, my hope is what I would have learned from them would, of course, increase, will be 50 times more or even 100 times more than $5,000. Relationships and people are more important than money. Even though wealth, people think of money when they think wealth, but the people make it a lot easier and a lot faster for you to earn wealth or create wealth. So I recently experienced that this stuff when we just started a social services company that just got certified with the Minnesota Department of Human Services, and because I had built relationships with some people in my time working in that specific area, in the specific area of social services here in Minnesota, I was able to get people to reach to really high important people, letting them know that, reminding them of the services that I've provided, and letting them know that of who I am. Because if they didn't know who I was, if I didn't know who they were, let's just start with that. I couldn't, I would still be spinning my tail calling and doing a whole bunch of things. It would take me twice as long or maybe even 5 times as long just to even get to a level where I'm talking to or I have jobs coming to our company, or leads coming to our company. So basically, it's not what you know, it's who you know. And just remember, you can't create wealth within a vacuum. And one person that says this and really creates a phrase, relationship capital, is Garrett Gunderson. He talks about relationship capital and how when you pair your relationships you have with the money that you have, and and your know-how and what you know, that's how you create wealth. I listen to this guy named Jay Morrison too, and he puts it in perspective a little bit differently. He says it goes like this, real estate, business, credit, right? That's how you build wealth, is what he talks about a lot on his channel. So anyway, guys, I just hope that this video that I've made can be of value to you, and that you can share this, that you can like this, and more importantly, that you can teach someone else about this, and more importantly, that you practice this, put this stuff into practice around you. Start looking at the world around you as as the world is your oyster, right? Start looking at that and start figuring out ways to add value to people, to find mentors, learn from them, ask them, get introduced to their networks, and then have this symbiotic relationship where you feed them, they feed you, you add value to them, they add value to you, and you start establishing yourself in the community and with people, as someone, that is trustworthy. And of course, the people that will help you build wealth. And that's just it. So yeah, we all need each other. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. Today, I look forward to seeing you on Friday, on Freedom Friday. Thank you, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Okay, bye.